welcome to All About. Today we're going to talk about RV19, and the two combinations that we have are going to be fairly different. Of course, both using RV19. One is going to go towards the rose kind of color, and the other one towards the violet to complement the R and the V. I'm Elena with VioletaInk.com, and we carry Copic Markers in the sketch series, ink refills, and nib replacements. We also carry Prismacolor pencils up in stock. Thank you. We're starting with RV19. And then on top of it, RV17 and RV14. This is going to be our natural family combination. We're going to underpaint with B34. Now, RV19 will cover B34. We just need to give it a little bit of time. This one needs to simmer. And we're finishing this blend with RV14. I'm underpainting again for the bonus combination with B34. On top of it is going to be RV19, V17. We're taking advantage of the violet that this RV marker is going to have. And this is V15. The staining test. It actually is moving it. It is moving it. It's not transferring when I touch the paper on the side. So it might be possible that we can move this one. This is PC995 Mulberry. This is the Prismacolor pencil that I found will be the closest. And I did like 3 or 4 layers and I really liked it. Now we're going to start coloring the wings of this butterfly. We're going to start with the natural family combination, no underpainting. This is RV19, RV17, and RV14. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. We are uploading every Friday at 1 p.m. Central Time. This is the underpainting. This is B34. On top of it is going to be RV19. Now, RV19 is the darkest color in this combination. It has to cover all your underpainted part. Now we're going to go with the bonus combination. This is RV19 because we're not underpainting the top wing. Now this is V17. And V15. We're underpainting V34 and then RV19, V17, and V15. And the staining test, I think you can move it. You just need to be patient with it. This is our natural family combination, RV19, RV17, and RV14. And then we have the underpainting with B34. Underpainting has been done for hundreds of years in the oil painting world. This with markers was started by Amy Scholke, and there is a whole series called Undercover, and it's going to be on her website. And I'm going to put a link on it so you can see it. And this is the bonus combination, which starts with B34, RV19, V17, and V15. Don't forget to follow us in social media. All our links are going to be in the description below. And download the template so you can show us your own experimentation. And tag us on social media so we can see what is it that you're doing and what are your favorite combinations. Thank you. See you next week. Bye. I am tired already. So